People need to be heard, but there's only one way to make sure you got what somebody said. Mirror and check accuracy. Looks like this.
Can you please do the dishes when you get home?
Mirror and check accuracy.
If I got it, you want me to do the dishes before you get home. Did I get it?
The sender can now correct if needed.
Actually, I asked if you'd please do the dishes when you get home.
Oh, okay, so you'd like me to do the dishes when I get home. Did I get it?
When you mirror, don't change anything. Harder than it sounds, as we tend to embellish or alter what we hear.
So if I got it, you want me to immediately, even before letting the dog out, do the dishes for you. Did I get it?
Actually, no.
No. Just mirror and check accuracy. When you receive someone's message without alteration, judgment, negation, or rebuttal, you eliminate miscommunication and increase connection. Give it a shot. To learn more, I'm here. I'm Rev. Doc Lisa, Integral Healer, and I'm with you on the journey.